Hi, thank you for watching Andrew's Answers. I'm Andrew November and I'm a disability attorney, and today we're going to talk about the common application steps. Well, people who are out of work for a disability typically find themselves in that situation based on something that happened traumatically or non-traumatically. So I'll explain what I mean by that. A disability of a traumatic origin would be something that maybe happened through an accident. Maybe something unfortunate happened over the weekend or even on your walk into work. Something that's of non-traumatic origin might be something like a degenerative condition. Maybe someone who had back pain for a number of years and was making it through work feels like they can't continue to work. Well, their application steps are going to be slightly different, but what I'll do is I'll explain the common things to both. First, they're going to involve contacting the insurance company. Chances are, if you're watching this video and you have LTD through work, it's going to be insured by an insurance company. What that means is your employer has entered into a contract to insure a group of employees, and you're probably in that group. So you would want to contact the insurance company directly or reach out to your HR department and find out who is the insurance company. Most companies have websites where you can start the process online, and what I'm going to do now is tell you what to expect. Every application has three components generally. The first component is the application. It's where you raise your hand, identify yourself as a member of that group, and say that I'm unable to work and here is the reason why, and here it's when it started. The second part of the application is what's called the employer statement. And this can be a bit of a pain because you're going to have to work with the insurance company and your employer to make sure this statement gets completed. The statement will have information like your rate of pay, which is going to be necessary for when they calculate how much disability you're entitled to, and also what your job title and job duties were. Again, this is important for the test of disability, which is probably going to be, can you do your occupation? So the insurance company needs to know what your occupation is. Now the third form is the most important, and that's what we call an attending physician statement, or APS. That's insurance company lingo. Here at my office we call it a medical source statement. Basically, we're reaching out to your medical source and asking them to give an opinion on what your restrictions are. For instance, no lifting more than 20 pounds, or what your limitations may be. For instance, can stand and walk, but only 2 hours out of an 8-hour workday. Hopefully, the attending physician statement says you have a set of restrictions and limitations that prevent you from doing the functional requirements of your job. And the insurance company is going to be the ultimate decider and determine whether the restrictions and limitations are supported and therefore you are disabled. As you can see, a lot of problems can arise during that complex process, and that's usually how I get involved. So if you have any questions, if you're approaching a claim or you find yourself already in a claim, give me a call, send me a message, and I'm happy to walk you through the first few steps to getting your LTD benefits going. Thank you.